Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you a multiplication strategy today. If you already have a multiplication strategy that you feel confident in to calculate volume, then you do not need to watch this video. But if you're wondering, hey, how do I calculate volume? I'm going to show you today. Okay, so I'm going to use the estimates that I made about this pencil box to calculate volume, just what you guys saw the other day. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead when I'm calculating. I'm going to start with 11 times 6 because this is a pretty easy multiplication problem for me. I know that 11 times 6 is 66. Okay, so I've calculated the width and I've used the width and I've used the height. So now I need to take 66 times 16. And this is a two-digit by a two-digit multiplication, and it can be challenging. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you do a two-digit times a two-digit multiplication, how you calculate. Okay, one of the strategies that I really like to use is the area model. Okay, so I know that 66 is 60 and 6 if I break it up by place value. So I have 60 and I have 6 on my area model. And I know 16 is 10 and 6 if I break it up by place value. 10 and 6. So in this box, my first box, I'm going to multiply 60 times 10, and that's going to equal 600. This box, I'm going to do 60 times 6, and that's going to get me 360. In this box, I'm going to look at my dimensions. This is 6, and this is 10. 6 times 10 is going to equal 60. And in this box, 6 times 6 is going to equal 36. Okay? These are my partial products. Okay? So this is part of my final product right here. So I'm going to add them together. So I have 600 plus 360. I'm going to add those together first. So I did 600 and 360. 6 plus 3 is 9, 960. Okay, but I still need to use these two, 60 and 36. I'm going to add them together. So I have 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so this is my product for 66 times 16, and it happens to be the volume, centimeters cubed. It happens to be the volume of my pencil box, my estimate of the volume of my pencil box. Okay, that's the area model strategy. You might notice that I broke the numbers first up by place value and then used the area model to make sure that I used all of my numbers. So that I did 60 times 10, I did 60 times 6. I did 6 times 10, and I did 6 times 6. Okay, so this is a way that I can visualize, but I can also make sure that I use all of the digits, all of the numbers. Okay.